Hello, solution of question number 37. As you've seen in the previous the question 36 that is assigned to you all. This 37th question is related to finding the missing frequencies using the mode value. Up to the question number 36 is the missing frequency completed by using the arithmetic mean and median. Now in this question the mode base is there. I hope that the missing frequencies computed by using the mean and the median is clear to each one of you, right? So move to the question number 37 now. Calculate the missing frequency, use the value mode, it is 23.5. The classes are like this: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, up to 40 to 50. And frequencies are 3, 5. The third class, that is 20 to 30, that class frequency is missing. And the fourth class frequency is 3, last class frequency is 2. So third class frequency is missing, that you need to find now. The base is given to you is the mode. The earlier classes, that mean and the median is over now. This was the last method to find the missing frequency using the mode. The classes are like this. If you see the classes are like this. Classes you may see that 0 to 10, 10 to 20 up to here, and frequencies are 3, 5. Then I assume that the missing frequency, that third class is F. I said in the earlier classes also, if the variable is missing, you can assume that X. If the frequencies are missing, you can assume that F, right? That is the bestest way to identify the values. Then no need to find any additional requirement for the mode calculations. Just you use the whatever it is given in the problem, just you rate it neatly and go with the solution. So the mode is 23.5. So you cannot find that highest frequency is the mode class now. You need to find now the value of the mode is 23.5. Just it is between the 20 to 30. It is in between 20 to 30 the mode is there. So between that only you have to find the value of mode. So 20 to 30 is the value. Between that your value is there. Then the formula of mode is like this: L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into I. Use this formula and substitute the values one by one. So mode is already there in the 23.5. You write it mode here. Then L is the lower limit 20 is written here. Delta 1 means F1 minus means highest frequency minus the lowest frequency. This area belongs to mode. Highest frequency means here only it comes. The F minus 5. Delta 1 is F minus 5. Again delta 1 is F minus 5. What is delta 2? Highest minus next class. Highest frequency is the mode class frequency. Highest minus next means F minus 3. F minus 3 is here. And into 10. Width of the class 20 to 30 is 10. Then you find that now the differences now one by one. 20 shift this side, left side, 23.5 minus 20, and F minus F0, F5 as it is same. Then below that F minus 5 plus F minus 5, that I release the bracket here. How? Plus into F plus F plus only, plus into this minus 3 is minus 3, so that I release the bracket here. So once you release the bracket, the values looks like this. Then as it is 10 is as it is the same. Then shift this multiplication 10 left hand side, we will get the 30.5 minus divided by, not minus, 3.5 divided by 10. Then what value left here now? 5f minus 5 as it is same. So here is 1f, then here also 1f, plus f is 2f, minus 5 and minus 3 is minus 8, total minus 8. Just you move to the next step now. It looks like this. 3.5 divided by 10 is 3.5. then this entire this 2f minus 8 shift the left side, so it comes like this. So 3.5 0.35 into 2f minus 8, the right hand side left is f minus 5. Then move to the next step. The value is like this. You multiply 3.5 into this whole bracket, 3.5 into 2f, that is 0.7 f. 3.5 into 2, 0.7, and f as it is same. 3.5 into 8, 2.8, and right hand side is f minus f minus 5 as it is same. And simplify this one now. A small side and a big side, that you have to divide two sides now. Known number and unknown number. Known number means a whole number. Unknown number means that is the alphabets almost includes. So I classify into two ways here now. One is the noun number, another is unknown number. We classify into two parts, so that is 2.8 and 5, one category. Point f and just only f is one, only one f means one f, that is one side. So make sure that the smallest number and the highest number keep it one side. So just I moved it here from -5 to right hand side, left hand side, right hand to left hand side. It was 0.5 -5 to +5. This 2.5 it is same, and 0.7 f right hand side. Already 1 f is there. Then 0.7 if you move to the right hand side, it was 0.7 f. Then you simplify this one. 2.8 plus 5 net is plus 2.2, and 1 f. This f means what? It is 1 f. 1 f minus 0.7 f. It was 0.3 f. You just shift the 0.3. This 0.3 f is shifted this side. So 2.2 divided by 0.3. That right hand side f is now, it is moved to the left hand side now. F equal to 7.33. As we know that frequency never comes to the fractions. So you take the rounded figure. The symbol indicates round. Otherwise you write it as in a bracket approximately rounded. It was 7 only, right? So I hope that this solution is clear to each one of you. If you have any queries, just feel free to send the questions or call me. Thank you.